Nats and Mets on Sunday afternoon. Washington and Jordan Zimmerman trying to take 2 of 3 from visiting New York. Top 3 bases loaded, 1 out. David Wright into right field. Now Jason Worth will make the catch. John Neese does not tag from third, but for some reason Daniel Murphy tags from first, and he's doubled off. That's an inning-ending DP. Bottom 5, 1 on for Jesus Flores. Lines one into left field. Jason Bay takes a divot, but makes a heck of a catch. Keeps the Nats off the board. Now top 6, 2 on, 1 out for Zimmerman. There are 2 in scoring position. Angel Pagan, he's going to take strike 3. So there is out number 2. The next batter is Jason Bay. He's going to swing and miss. Good job by Zimmerman to get out of trouble. Bottom 6, the other Zimmerman. It's Ryan at the dish with a man on.
That ball is to the gap in right center. The Nationals take the lead. Back-to-back extra base hits. Ryan Zimmerman's 21st of the year.
1-0 Nationals. How about another extra base hit? The next man, Michael Morse. That's a double. Zimmerman comes around to score, and now the Nationals have a 2-0 lead on John Neese. And the Mets will jump to the top of the 7th. It's still 2-0. Reliever Sean Burnett in. Scott Hairston. That's out of here. A pinch hit solo shot. That makes it 2-1 Nationals. Now, top 9, still 2-1. Drew Storing looking for the save. You're not going to believe this, folks. Hairston now 2 for 2 with 2 solo shots. Game tied at 2-2, and we are headed to the bottom of the 9th, where Bobby Parnell has 2 on with 1 out facing Ian Desmond.
Desmond over the mound. Here comes the runner. Nationals win.
You put the ball in play with 2 strikes, good things happen.
It was a heartbreaking top of the 9th, but a very satisfying bottom of the 9th for the Nats as they win it 3-2. Zimmerman 6 innings, 7 hits, no earned runs, struck out 6, a no decision. Storing the blown save, but gets the win his 6th. 4 Nationals had 2 hits apiece.